According to the latest network sources, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra camera will focus on photo quality, not on numbers. According to a new leak, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will receive a main camera with the ability to 50x zoom and 108MP main camera. It looks like a step back after a 100-fold increase that the Galaxy S20 Ultra boasts. However, according to sources, this time the company decided to focus on the quality of the resulting image and user experience, rather than on the numbers in the specifications. This news was shared by a well-known insider, hiding under the nickname Ice Universe. He claims that while developing the new super flagship, Samsung pays particular attention to improving image quality and ease of use of the camera. Roland Quant has recently posted on Twitter that the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will feature a 108MP camera. His source claims that he's seen hard evidence of its existence, and now we would only have to find out if this new sensor is the same ISOCELL Bright HM1 found in the main camera of the Galaxy S20 Ultra, or if this may be the ISOCELL Bright HM2.